Oh wait, they still have it up on that side of the store. Just not that side. Okay, this just came in the mail today and may very well be the most questionable thing I've ever spent money on in my life. Which, considering I have a metallic silver snowboarding helmet, is 100% saying something. That being said, it's still amazing. Wow. Wow. Is this hoodie a little bit over the top? Yes. Yes, it is. I got these pants sent to me from a brand for free. I got this t-shirt from Livestock for free. I think I even got my socks for free. I mean, I bought my shoes, but I just don't really spend a lot of money on clothes. This hoodie is from a Japanese fashion house and costs $500. Now, there was absolutely zero chance that I was gonna spend $500 on a tie-dye hoodie, but I saw it and I liked it and I loved it. And then patiently waited 9 months and I just got it on sale last week for $103. Still expensive, but a lot more reasonable than $500. Now, I'm no fashion expert, except I look at a hoodie like this and I say, yeah, it's really nice. It's cut and sew. They take 5 different unique tie-dye hoodies and cut it together, and every single hoodie is unique, so you could get like a very bright sleeve like this, or you could get a bright chest, or pink here, or blue here. It's a really cool design concept, and that's why I wanted to buy this. But $500. For $500, I expect the world's greatest hoodie ever created. And to be 100% genuine and honest with you guys, this hoodie isn't that good. I mean, the biggest problem I'm seeing right off the bat, my hands do not fit in the pockets. That is one of the biggest functions of a hoodie. And my hands don't fit in the, I mean, granted, I am 6'4", so maybe my hands are a little bit larger than the average person, but I have pretty regular sized hands, and the material's also not that thick. I mean, it's not bad, and I'm not complaining. For the price I paid, I'm very happy. But if I had paid $500 for this, I would have been sorely disappointed. I'm just happy I didn't pay $500 for this. Well, this is awkward. I came to this Louis Vuitton because I wanted to take a thumbnail in front of it because they have this crazy bright print on it. Had asterisks, and literally within the last 2 days they have stripped all of it off except for like a tiny section at the top. With that being said, this is still Louis Vuitton Midtown, and it's, you know, one of the most expensive retail stores in the world. It has designer luxury bags and shoes and belts and wallets and everything under the rainbow. I mean, last year I bought Louis Vuitton AirPods for $1,000. I just spent $1,083 on Louis Vuitton earbuds. Disregarding that one little impulse purchase, I just really don't understand the appeal of brands like this. Like, yes, I understand the appeal of having a really, really high quality bag or backpack or whatever that's gonna last you a lifetime and looks cool and is made of beautiful materials. I get that. What I don't get is spending $1,200, $2,000, $3,500 on a t-shirt or a crew neck sweater just because it has a brand's name on it. Basically what I'm trying to summarize and put together, basically what I'm trying to say is that if you want to buy a $900 t-shirt or a $3,500 crew neck because you like how it looks and you enjoy wearing it and you have the money to do so, then that's great. But if you're buying it because you think it will make other people think you're cool, that's just bad. Okay, I have good news and I have bad news. Let's start with the bad news. The bad news is I bought a pair of Kobe 5s earlier this week or last week, and they might be the most uncomfortable shoes I've ever tried on in my life. I wanted to play basketball in them. There is zero chance I'm playing basketball in them. Good news, I got invited to play in a men's basketball league. I need basketball shoes. Oh my goodness, these are the new 0. Why not 3 Russell Westbrook. I don't know what these are called. They're the new Russell Westbrooks, and they're only $130. Assuming I have a size 12, 100% going with these. Okay, there goes that plan. Biggest size they have is an 11. Okay, to be 100,000% honest, I don't even like how these look at all. Okay, I bought these for one very specific reason. These are a pair of Kevin Durant's, last pair of Kevin Durant's that I played basketball in. The 5s. I played basketball in the Kevin Durant 5s. We are now on the KD 12. It's been 7 years. What? That cannot be correct. What? I don't even like how these look. I really don't. I think it's it looks like a candy cane. This is not a good looking shoe, but I've heard nothing but amazing reviews about it as a basketball shoe. And then if you guys aren't familiar, this is the YouTube colorway of it. Complete, absolutely new news to me. But apparently Kevin Durant has a YouTube channel, so they did a YouTube collaboration where it says Kevin Durant and the YouTube logo, and it's all red and white, and it has like play buttons and pause buttons and thumbs up and thumbs down and closed caption and just a bunch of stuff you'd see on like a YouTube video. I don't know, a little bit gimmicky, but I do make YouTube videos, so if I was gonna buy a new basketball shoe on complete impulse, well, not impulse, just out of necessity, oh, that's pretty funny. It is way too cold. I don't know where it came from, but it is windy, it is cold. Way too cold for me to be wearing this stupid tie-dye thin little hoodie. Okay, it is way too cold for me to be wearing this hoodie. I need to change.